Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today is another TikTok made me do it. Now, my daughter-in-law sent me a TikTok this week from B. Dylan Hollis, where he did a women's circle recipe, and it was a lemonade cheat pie, and it was kind of like an icebox cake, where you just put a couple ingredients together and then you throw it into the freezer and you have a silky smooth pie. And after I watched Dylan's video, I was like, this is happening. We're gonna do this and we're gonna see how it tastes and what I think, because I have a get together to go to and this is coming to that get together. If you want to make the women's circle cheap pie, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 2 pre-made graham cracker crusts, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, that's about 14 ounces. And you can use that sweetened condensed milk recipe that I showed you earlier this month, oh yes. 1 can of frozen lemonade concentrate, thawed. And the last thing you're gonna need is 1 tub of Cool Whip. If you're ready for this adventure, let's see if this works. Let's go. So into a bowl, we are gonna put the 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. And then we have our lemonade concentrate that is already defrosted. So this is where the recipe kind of caught hold of me, because I'm like, if this will make a good lemon pie, I'm all in. So we're just gonna add that together. I feel wrong doing that, but hey, whatever. And he just used a regular spoon, so I am too. And this did thicken up quite a bit. I'm actually fascinated at this moment with how thick this mixture has gotten. Look at that. That's pretty thick. The tartness of this is already making my mouth pucker. I love lemon stuff. I love lemon bars. I don't usually make lemon bars though, because they're kind of a fuss. So pre-made crust, 3 ingredients. I don't know. I'm all in. I'm all in. Okay, so now we have a whole tub of Cool Whip. So what we're gonna do now is we're just going to basically fold all of this together until it's silky smooth. And make sure your Cool Whip is defrosted, or else you're gonna have a hard time. I thought mine was completely defrosted, but it looks like there's a little bit in the middle that's still a bit frozen. My bad. So we'll just work a little harder on that middle bit so that we get all of it nice and smooth. Look at how smooth that is. Smooth. Oh, I just saw a chunk in the close camera. Okay. Come on. Come on, Cool Whip chunks. Get on out of here. Get on out. All right. Now I think we're smooth. Yep, okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 2 pie crusts and we're going to fill them evenly. Now, if having broken pie crusts bother you, do you know that you can put some extra butter in here and just push them together and make them seal well? Okay, so now we are going to try to equally fill these pie crusts. Now we're gonna put the lids on them, wherever the lids might be. There they are. And this needs to go into the freezer until they are frozen solid. How long is that? Well, Dylan did his overnight. I only have about another 5 hours, so I am hoping that these freeze in 5 hours. I'm gonna put them in my deep freezer so it freezes a lot faster. So here is hoping. We're gonna cross all of our fingers and toes that this is done in that amount of time. All right, you guys, welcome back. It has been at least 5 hours, if not just a little bit longer. I waited as long as I could. So look at this beautiful pie. It looks like I spent hours on it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make a very, very modest cut and see how this tastes. So, because remember, I'm bringing it somewhere in just a little while, both pies. So I will just go ahead and run my knife through. Cuts really well. It's really soft. It might not be completely set yet, but we're gonna try it. So maybe I won't make such a modest cut. That way I can get a nice hunk out. All right, we ready? I see here that it is not completely set yet. It's because I'm rushing it, but it's mostly set. Look at that. Oh my. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Let me take that piece of crust. That looks pretty good. You can see that it does need a little bit more time to set. That's no big deal. But look at how beautiful. Let's taste this. Oh my. You ready? I'm gonna, ooh, cuts right through. Obviously it would because it's not fully set, but let's see what we think. Woo. Wow. That is a lemon punch. You know, I wonder if you could make, actually, I know for a fact you could. What if you did, okay, first of all, before I tell you what else you could do with this, I actually like the flavor of it. The texture is really good. This middle bit was a little softer than the edge bit. So let me take a piece of the edge and just tell you what I think. When it sets fully, oh yeah. It's not like lemon meringue, but it's almost like ice creamy. And the lemon is like making my eyes water. It is so lemony. If you like lemon desserts, this might be just the pie for you. Now, it is real puckery. I mean, it is sweet, but it is awfully lemony. So my thought is, I wonder if you can do the same thing with like orange or even the raspberry lemonade, which gives it that raspberry flavor and the lemonade as well, because this is in your face lemon. Is it good? Yes. Is it making my mouth water? 100,000 times yes. It's good, but as a pie, I don't think I would make this one again. I think I would try another frozen juice concentrate because this is like pucker good, but it is pretty puckery. I don't think that I can eat this whole piece. I might eat 1 or 2 more bites. Like maybe I will eat this much. But whoo! It is way, way lemony. It's fine. It was supposed to. It's supposed to be lemon, but whoo! Ah. Well, Dylan, I know you only had like a minute in your TikTok, but it might have been nice to know. I mean, what did I think? The only flavor that was going in was lemon. I mean, I know, but that is something else. If you are a fan of lemon, you have to try this. And if you're not a fan of lemon, make an orange one or any kind of juice concentrate that you can find in your grocery store and make this pie. This is a good method and a good pie if you like lemon that much. But my eyes are watering. I'm literally gonna have to go fix my mascara now before I leave. So take that for what it's worth, and that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and I'm always looking for the next adventure, and sometimes they find me on TikTok via my daughter-in-law. So thank you, Megan, for having me try out this recipe, and next time you come around, this might just be on our menu. So we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Bye. Okay, maybe I'll take the last bite, but it is pretty puckery. Woo, woo.